AlgoLabX YouTube channel. In this video, we start our Python journey with a clear and beginner-friendly introduction to Python programming. This video is perfectly for students, beginners, and anyone who want to learn coding from scratch. Topic covered in these videos are what is Python programming language, history of Python, why Python is easy to learn, feature of Python, where Python is used in real life, who should learn Python. So now, what is Python programming? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language used to create software, website, applications, automation scripts, and data-driven solutions. Python lets you write instruction for a computer in simple English-like words, which make it very easy to understand and use. It is interpreted language, means Python use interpreter. Unlike languages like C++, Python code is executed line by line, which makes debugging much easier. Python is a high-level language. It uses English-like syntax, removing the complexity of managing computer memory or hardware details to understand and use. History of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, developed in Netherlands, its name after the comedy show Monty Python. The goal of making Python programming language make programming simple, readable and powerful. Over time, Python became popular because it is easy for beginners, it is powerful for professionals, big companies started using it. Today, Python is one of the most used programming language in the world. Why Python easy to learn? Python is easy to learn because its syntax is simple English-like syntax, no complex symbols or rules, less code, more works. Task that takes many lines in other languages can be done in fewer lines in Python. No need to remember data types strictly. Python automatically understands data types. Huge community support. Help is easily available online. Features of Python. Some important features of Pythons are it is easy to read and write. It is interpreted language, runs line by line. It is platform independent, means it can run on any operating system, Windows, Macs, Linux. It is free and open source, which means it can use anyone. It is object oriented. It has large standard library support like pandas and numpy. It supports multi-programming style. Because of this feature, Python is used everywhere. Why Python is used in real life? Where Python is used in real life? Python is used in many real world applications like data analysis and data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, web development like Django and Flask, automation and testing, game development, desktop applications, cyber security, scientific research. Companies like Google, Netflix, Instagram, Amazon use Python. Who should learn Python? Python is suitable for school and college students, beginner with zero coding language, data analyst and data scientist, AI and machine learners, job seekers and freshers, automation and testing professionals, teachers and trainers.